Looking for a simple way to store and manage your files online? Mega gives you cloud storage where you can upload, organize, download, share, and access files across your devices. In this guide, I'll walk you through the essentials so you can start using Mega with confidence. Let's get started. First, open Mega in your browser and sign in to your account. If you're new to Mega, you can create an account before continuing. Once you're logged in, you'll see your cloud drive where your files and folders are stored. Before uploading a lot of files, create a few folders to keep everything organized. You might make folders for documents, photos, videos, or work projects. Select the new folder option, give it a clear name, and open it. A little organization now makes everything easier later. To add files to Mega, open the folder where you want them stored and choose the Upload option. You can upload individual files, multiple files, or entire folders. Select your content from the computer and wait for the transfer to finish. Keep an eye on the upload status, especially for large files. When you need a file back on your computer, select it and choose the Download option. For multiple files or folders, Mega may prepare them as an archive before downloading. Once the transfer finishes, check your Downloads folder and extract the archive if necessary. Mega also makes it easy to share your cloud files. Select a file or folder and open the sharing or link options. Create a share link, review any available access settings, and copy the link. Then you can send it through email or your preferred messaging service. Just make sure you're sharing the correct item. If you use Mega on multiple devices, sign in with the same account to access your cloud files. On a computer, the Mega Desktop app can also sync selected folders. Choose your local and cloud folders carefully and monitor the sync status. So avoid syncing folders you don't actually need in the cloud. And that's the basic Mega cloud storage workflow. Create folders, upload your files, download them when needed, share selected content, and use Sync to keep important folders connected across devices. Once you understand these basics, Mega becomes much easier to manage. Pretty straightforward, right?